Hello, my name is Maya Colorito, and in this video I will be discussing the type of bias that I have seen evident in my life. In class, we went over 24 different types of biases, but the one that stood out to me was the self-serving bias. I chose this type of bias because I've seen it evident in my own life and in others' lives. In this video, I will discuss how this type of bias has affected me academically. A couple weeks ago, we had a math quiz in my pre-calc class that I, up until that point, had understood all the material and the homework perfectly fine, so I didn't study as much as I normally do. When we took the quiz, I didn't get a very good grade on it, and initially I blamed that grade on the fact that the material was harder, or I had taken an extra day to study, hadn't taken an extra day to study. When we went to take the test, I studied enough and got a good grade on it, and took credit for that because I had studied a lot. This was an example of a self-serving bias because I blamed my bad grade on the fact that we had an extra day before the quiz, or the material was harder when in reality I just hadn't studied enough. This is how the self-serving bias has impacted me in my life in an academic sense.